What is up, you guys? Good morning, happy Wednesday. It's beautiful, pretty beautiful day in San Francisco. Today, EVO is gonna get a nice treat. We're lowering the car. We're putting coils on this thing. We got some coilovers for the car. We're gonna be dropping it a bit, not exactly sure how low we're gonna go yet, but stay tuned and find out. Alright, first things first. Wheels are coming off. I mean, Andrew's got his breaker bar, but why not bring out the big board? You lost the extension. God dang it, Andrew. Milwaukee sponsors. And they just put the coilovers on. So yep, coils are going on today, getting rid of the stock ones. Those are going out. And then rims are on standby. So Andrew was nice enough to let us borrow his impact and his extension. So shout out to Andrew. I remember the last time I took these off. I don't even know if I ever took them. Just like that. Just stop. Look at them Brambos. Sheesh. Dated Brambos. That's perfect. Dude, this thing is like holy. Damn, that's perfect, dude. Damn, this thing is slam. Did you get them like? For sure. You row? Nah. Oh, when I turn? I bet. Check on it. I like it. I just gotta get the rims now. Not bad, not bad. So, as you guys can tell by the Recaro seats, I am in the EVO right now. The only good thing we got is power tools. Time to put the stock ones back on while we go to the tire shop and get new tires on the new one. Last one. Bruh. I don't know how some of y'all drive like this, but I feel like a little kid. As you can see, I'm only about a foot away from the steering wheel. This is what you gotta do when you gotta fit 4 tires and 4 rims in a Q50. We got 2 tires in the trunk, but that's 2 rims right there. And there's that one right behind me. Stay tuned till we get to the tire shop. Currently on our way to Bay Tires. We're mocking up 4 brand new tires for the rims I got for the EVO. The rims I initially got, or the tires that initially came with the rims, were way too stretched. Like way too stretched. They were like 215s by 30 18s. And then the new Continental tires that I picked up, I'm gonna be running 235 40 18. So we get a more meaty look, but also fill up that wheel well. Meanwhile, I'm here sitting a foot away from the goddamn steering wheel, getting nothing but weird looks and stares. But apparently some of you guys drive like this. I don't get it. Look what happens when San Francisco is such a small city that you just don't want to risk anyone seeing you. Especially not driving like this. See, I need me one of those. If we had one of those, I would have stocked up on at least 10 tires. Pulling up to the shop, Bay Tires. So, we made it. Some new meat. We basically jam-packed the queue with 4 tires. anything for the EVO though.
Like you pull it out, stuff it in a hole, or you pull it out.
Not bad. First one done. So if you guys can see, there's quite a difference. So my hand stretches completely on this one. This one, on the other hand, is a lot meatier. Time to load them up. Almost ready for the EVO. So it just wrapped up with baked tires. They hooked it up. If you need any tires or mounting, balances, whatever you need. I'm almost at my original seating position. Not fully yet, but it's definitely a lot more comfortable than what we had initially. We figured out a different game plan and we were able to fit all 4 tires and 4 rims a little more strategically. It's a bit like Tetris. Stay tuned till we get back and mount them up on the EVO. Pulling up. Finally back. Time to install the rims on it. Yes, sir. All right, let's mock it up real quick. How's it look? Off with the stock rims, in with the new ones. Just got the new tires. All wrapped in Continental 235 4018s. So let's get to it. And then we can do slow motion to get audio off. Because the offset was a bit off, these actually don't clear the front Brembo brakes. Therefore, we ordered some up-centric wheel spacers. Yes, sir. I believe they're 5mm, and they should be just enough to allow us to clear the brakes and run our new rim setup. Woo! Man! I don't know if you guys can see, but try to get this front angle view real quick. I think we got it dialed in. Done. Alright guys, moment of truth. Ooh. Bro, this ooh. Man. So if your car doesn't come with the luxury of a sunroof and for some reason you want one, all you got to do is leave your car out in the sun for about 2 years and it'll magically start forming.